And notice that in the page 1 we got the array of elements. These are the array of elements. When I click orange, see the selected array element is orange from page 1. This is a URL parameters. They are passing the URL parameters. Now if I select green, here we got the green. Now if I select red, here we got red. Now if I select blue, here we got the blue. Let's write the code in JavaScript how to pass the variables, the array of elements from one page to another page, the selected array of element using URL parameters in JavaScript. Just for the time saving, I have added page 1 and page 2. In the page 1, first let's define array. First we require the basic HTML elements here. Let's close the HTML. Then the header section. In the header section, below the header section, I am adding the body tag. Inside this body tag, I am adding one center element. How to pass? Let's add this one is the heading h1. How to pass the selected array element to the next page. After that, I am adding h2 element using URL parameters in JavaScript. After that, I am adding one horizontal line. After the horizontal line, I am adding h3 tag array of elements. Here I am defining array of elements is a heading. Then one more horizontal line. Array of elements I am adding UL and LI list elements I am creating here. Inside this list elements I am adding href. Href is equals to red. The colors I am adding here red. Now let's copy this one, paste here. Just for the demo purpose, I am adding only 4 colors: orange, blue, and this is the green. Now here the most important part is we are passing the variables using the URL parameters. The URL is a page2.html, so we need to add page2.html question mark. And here I am adding one variable. You can add any variable name. Here I am adding element is equals to red. What are the value here? I am adding here. Now let's copy this one, paste here. This one orange, this one blue, and this one green. Start red, green. That's it. We have done the designing part. Here we have added the list items. Now let's clear the list items. Not to clear the list items. I don't want to display any styles. By default, it's a bulleted styles. Let's remove that one. Style, list style, type. Here I am adding none. That's it. We have done the JavaScript. In page 1 we have done the coding part. Now in the page 2, first let's add the basic HTML code here. What are the necessary elements we require here? Let's add that one here. Body. Now inside this body I am adding center element. Inside the center element, I am adding h1. How to the selected array element passing from page 1 horizontal line. After that, here I am adding one p tag. You can add any tags here. ID is equals to selected array of element. Here I am adding element. Now in this p tag, I want to display the selected. For example, if the user select blue, I want to display the blue color in this p element. Now After the body tag, I'm adding script element. Let's write the JavaScript functionality. Constant URL params. Let's define one variable. New URL such params window.location.search. Then again constant selected element. Selected element I am adding here. Selected element is equals to URL params, P capital here, URL this variable URL params dot get. Now here the most important step is in the get method, the name you are getting string. What is the name here? The name of the element. This is the element. We pass the element here. Then constant selected array. Selected array is equals to document.get element by id. In this id I am adding this selected array element. Copy this one and paste here. Then selected array dot text content is equals to the selected element. The selected array element is let's add in a new line plus here I am adding this selected element. We are holding the selected p element in this variable. That p element I am adding here. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Now let's save this both files. Save page 2 and page 1 also I am saving. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Now it's time to check the output of our application. For that we need to open the file explorer to check the output. Let's open the file. Folder I have created in the E drive, and the folder name is a JavaScript interview, and these are our file names, page 1 and page 2. Let's check that one. See, page 1 and page 2. Let's open page 1 first. Page 1, and notice that in the page 1 we got the array of elements. These are the array of elements. When I click orange, see the selected array element is orange from page 1. This is a URL parameters. We are passing the URL parameters. Now if I select green, here we got the green. Now if I select red, here we got red. Now if I select blue, here we got the blue. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to pass the selected array of elements from one page to another page using URL parameters. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.